Yo, what's up, bitches? This is the unofficial Fantasy Star Online 2 VR update project. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, yeah, cool stuff. Yeah, alright, here. Let's talk about what's been going on past few months. I'll show a little bit of things here, there. I recently showed off the particle system. Some particle emitters I'm trying to work on, figure out how to get those aesthetics in here, making spell effects look good for some techniques and all that cool stuff and importation mostly. And other cool stuff like importing weapons, importing models, important on my part. And we have Jebmeister over here. Come on over, Jeb. Come on over. We have the legend themselves, Jeb. Okay, she's just gonna stay there. I'm just gonna. Okay, I'm just. Okay. So we have Jeb, the brains themselves, helping out with the computing part for the development of our game manager and all that awesomeness. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. He's a great freaking dude, Brainiac himself, all that cool stuff and whatnot. So we showed off a little bit earlier on a development project about the mag, the little buddy over here. You see this little dude? Freaking crazy. Let's pull him out for you guys. All right. You see this? The mag boy himself. Reversed engineered into fucking Neos. Freaking terrific. Am I right? Am I right? Of course. I'm not right, but I'm right. But you know what I mean? Anyways, we have a mag, right? What do we do? What does a mag do? That's what you guys are probably wondering. We're like, oh man, what is this? What does it do? Does it do anything cool? And I'm like, it does do cool stuff. Let's grab the food. For this is our prototype.
Baba Booey.
Boom. That's how it works, right? How mag works pretty much is you feed it your items, aka your tool items or your healing supplies, and status ailment foods, right? You feed it,
Baba
it
Booey.
levels up. You hear the Baba Booey, you know what that means, right?
Baba Booey.
Right? You're not gonna be able to see the evolution, so I'm gonna turn him this way so you guys can actually get the the side his good side, right? Boom. All right. And once he hits level
Baba
10,
Booey.
right? Not there yet, not yet.
Baba
Boom.
Booey.
The mag evolves. Craziness. You're like, oh my god, it's evolved. Yes, all that cool stuff. That's literally how it works in game into here. We literally reverse engineered that son of a bitch in here. It works like that. We even have the SPIQ synchro calculations in here too, to how that actually works in game into here. We currently have the Photon Blast models, but we don't have them animated yet because we're having issues with animations. So we're gonna have to reverse engineer some of the animations and all that cool stuff. You know what I mean? You got sometimes when things don't work out, you gotta do it yourself or get some get some wonderful people, amazing people to outsource to get some sources and all that stuff. Right? Alright. So that's pretty much the mag system and all that cool stuff. That Jeb put together with the resources I have and his amazing brains. Oh my god, what are you doing? Okay, that's a lot of money. Let's don't worry about it. We're not gonna show it off yet. And also let's continue to the next part. This might look a little bit familiar for all those classic fans. Let me just pull it back here. Right. Don't worry. Don't worry. You see that? You see that?
I'm rich.
Damn right you're rich. Okay.
I have
All right.
25,000 Mazzetto. Let's go.
Oh hell yeah! Let's go. Let's go. Okay. And all that cool stuff here. Let's put this away for now. Let's go over here and show off the Richie Rich scheme. Pretty much Jeb's working on. All right, camera here showing off what Jeb's working on. So Jeb, show him what you're doing.
So basically, I'm just spawning fucking Mazzetto. I can spawn Mazzetto and it then caches into my character, which currently now has 36,000 Mazzetto. What's good?
Pretty much, we're trying to we're breaking the economy, pretty much, and having in illegal ways.
Yeah.
Yes. Wait, let me grab some money too. I need some money too.
You don't have a character.
Don't worry. I'll put a character inside me later. Here, let me just.
Oh god.
Just, just don't worry. Okay, no one saw nothing.
Here, help yourself with one.
Oh right, I got. Oh, boom. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go over here and show off this because this is the character creator. So when you start off, you click
Let's see.
that, you create your character, right? You register a character. Over here, all right, over here, this little block here is character creator. This is how you pretty much
It's not,
create your character the
isn't
first
the
time.
creator, it's just reference the character.
Reference. Thank you. Exactly. Reference and all that cool stuff. And so you check. Yay, I'm the father. Then what happens is I can eat that. Now I'm rich. I have money.
You have 458. Zeta, let's go.
458 Masetta. Only need 500. I only need. Wait, 458. That's not a lot. I thought it'd be like a lot more.
Just one more.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Here you go.
Yo, let's go. Fuck money train. Let's freaking go. Oh, let's go. Let's fucking do it. Oh, that's some good money. Give me some money. Oh, there we go. That's some good stuff. Ah, yeah. Now I'm rich. Okay, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. The get rich scheme. And all that awesomeness. Yeah. And that's some awesomeness we're working on right now. Jeb is what pretty much Jeb is creating the spawning the brain cells. I don't have brain cells right now.
Great stuff.
Brain. I forgot. The inventory, the spawning system for the game. Inventory. The inventory system. So once we have an inventory system, we can create a drop table system. Thus, once we have a drop table system, we have an JRPG system roughed out, and all that cool stuff. Ignore that over there. We're gonna go there later with a cutout and all that stuff. All right. Thank you, Jeff, for showing the awesome inventory system, early inventory system that we're working on, and all that cool stuff. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go. Let's go over this wall here, show off some cool stuff that we're working on. That was actually worked on way early on that we didn't really have a time to discuss. It just showed off in our PSO video update. So over here is this fucking huge ass board of information. I'm telling you, this is where the big brain shit happened when my brain cells were on coke, not on cocaine, not on coke. I mean, on shut the fuck up. You know what I mean. When I was jacked up on 15 cups of caffeine, two like a lot of fucking Dr. Pepper was involved in the situation. I tell you, man. What you can do with a good quantity, good liters of Dr. Pepper, and fucking nostalgia. We took the time to literally fucking write an entire script and board sequence, so we can figure out how to put everything together, and all them awesomeness. So, yeah, we spent like an entire I think like 2 weeks, or 2 weeks or a month just figuring. Yeah, no, 2 to 4 weeks. Just figuring out what is what and organizing into a way we can break it down into components and logics and make this into writable data that later on, that can be used into succession for each brain cells, for each functionality. For example, the inventory system, our debuff system, our leveling system, our character stat growth system, and all that is just being done in the game manager, which is insane, and your character, which has some of the base information that you'll be able to have on you, and all that. And if you have any questions related to this shit, to any of this stuff, if you have any information, I look like the fucking guy from MySpace. I'm not fucking kidding. Look at this, like. You see that? Go look where that camera is, right? I look like the fucking guy from MySpace. I'm like that.
Okay.
You know, like he's just fucking pointing to the fucking chalkboard. I'm literally doing the same shit here. Fuck. It's like it's so dead. I'm so dead on the inside. Okay. Then over here, this is all the information for the character system. This is all for the character system. ID'd bitmap for the character category. Later on, if you're wondering about this, this is gonna get reversed, and we're reverse engineering this. You see a little piece here into a display, so you guys can actually you can click on it. I mean, you guys can't click on it because this is a video. I mean, you can click the dislike if you want, but I know you're honestly gonna click the like button. Maybe a sub. Maybe give me some. I don't want to say give me some money. It's just fun. Okay, you don't have to give me money, but you know it's generous. Maybe a penny. I'll take a penny. Maybe like maybe like $10 for like a Subway or something. Not Subway. For a salad. I like a salad. You know how many fucking you know what's the weird part about that? You know how many Twitch streamers would be like, I could buy pizza with that shit. But you hardly hear any of those motherfuckers saying, I want a salad. I want some healthy shit in my system. Right? Or is that just me? Am I like the only guy that actually wants actual healthy shit? Like I could buy a fucking potato with that money and just fucking grow 20 bags worth with that shit. And make my money back and just fucking buy more and buy other you know. Anyways, let's skip fuck this board. Let's fuck this really fun board that we worked on. All right, let's get back to some context over here. This is okay. So enough of this awesome, beautifully well done prototype mini system, based off the original, but slightly improved for modern day, for new users, for the next generation of PSO fans. And all that. Let's move on to the next one, which is still being built upon. We're taking concepts of the original one. I'm putting it together in Neos. But once we have it all put together, we're gonna take ideas and suggestions and probably redesign the original layout for this awesome mini system. Don't worry about the guy snorting in the background. I think he's sniffing some polys and all that stuff. That's normal Neo stuff. So some people really get addicted to that. Those pixels, you know, the pixels, the polys, and all stuff. I'm not gonna fucking lie, do it too. You know, you just gotta sniff that redness. You know, it's like, ooh, baby, just fucking. Yeah, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. That one guy. Yeah. Yeah. Virtual cocaine. But anyway. So yeah, this is our base for our user board, so we can actually do this cool stuff and take ideas from the original concept and redesign it for use of VR. This is not and all that cool stuff. This is another redesign of the original board, a recreation of the original board. Not fully finished because you can't see the ID, but once it is, you can actually just grab it, select it, and update through that and all that cool stuff. And all that awesome. Get the fuck off the board. And all that awesomeness. All right. Next up is our quick mini. Our user board. Our quick access slots. Pretty much similar to how they have it on fucking how they have it on PC, right? If I can take this shit. Okay, so we built this here, so you can actually create a template how we're gonna redesign the original system. So what we're probably gonna do a circle aligner where we'll automatically update and space itself out accordingly. So you guys can actually have more than one of these user menus. Maybe you have them stackable, or they can actually go above one another and have in a row. And you guys can actually interact and customize and make it more user friendly and give you guys customization to how you want to have your quick item use available for tools and accessories. And that's one version being redesigned. That's one item that being redesigned for VR use. Oh, now you don't fucking stick to the wall. You fucking stick to it when I fucking have it 5 times in a row. Now you don't want to fucking do it. Get the fuck out of here. Okay, so and also redesigning the player combat system and all that coolness and whatnot. So it's really unfinished. Well, just for the combat in general, for how we're gonna redesign it in Neos, right? Let me grab the sword. Our thanks to Sawpoint building the wave the mesh for this cool blade effect. Yes, all the melee weapons will have this cool streamer blade wave effect, so you guys can swing the sword around and look cool and all that shit. And you can look really fucking cool, awesome, and all the fucking shit. You know what I mean? Like, who doesn't want to look like a guy swinging their fucking their big dick sword around, beating shit up? Like, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean. So let's grab the board of redesign. It kind of looks really depressing, but this is how we're gonna redesign the sword, and I'm gonna explain how to what the hell these three holes mean. You know what I mean? These three holes. And don't worry, I don't know what I'm looking at. These three holes here. Okay. So how we're going to design the system, unlike the original game where we had three inputs, we're redesigning it so you can fire the three inputs with your controller, aka you will no longer be able to jump, but your jump button will be your third action input, your third button input. So what happens now is whenever you want to attack, you have an actual visual indicator, undetermined location yet, either around your weapon or around your arm, around your wrist, that will indicate how your attack's being stored. So, for example, I wanted to do a normal chain, right? So what I do is I fill up these three slots up with normal attack. So whenever I attack, it fires off the first attack, second attack, third attack, and based on what attacks are fired in order, you'll be able to fire those attacks in order. And if you're wondering if there's going to be a chain, if there's going to be a form of chain attack, there will be, in the form of let's see how to describe this. In succession.
Yes.
So whenever you attack an order, it'll fire whenever you attack in a specific timely attack while your charges are in your weapon, you'll be pretty much notified when you've done a proper chain attack. A chain attack is when you properly time your attack in succession. So when you have your inputs fired into each slot, that's pretty much your storage. But now you have to hit the enemy in a specific timely fashion to get the damage bonus output from it. To get the most out of it. Compared to the original game where you can just press a button and you just attack and you gotta time your attack, your next button attack, and you do the thing. But no, we're just doing it this way, so you guys can actually do the input and all this stuff. And yeah. And that's pretty much what we're kind of working on with the new weapon design and all stuff. Did you just okay? And all that cool stuff. And also, right now we're doing a limited time thing for anybody who's interested in creating custom primitive models. We will be creating a couple of original mags for Neos VR for this project. Currently, we have the Neos mag. Yes, this is official mag, a cell mag, which will be available once the game is the game will be available once it's past its development phase of playability and actually be available. These will be the first. These will be the first event unique mags that'll be available. There'll be two others after official release of Caves and Ruins. Caves, Mines, and Ruins. And episode 2 will be pretty much out of keeps for a good time period. And all the cool stuff. Yeah. So there'll be a one of a kind unique meg during these official release expansions, pretty much. So currently, you'll be able to get this once we have the first map fully playable in a playable state, and the lobby area accessible for everybody, we'll be creating a headless server for everyone to enjoy and have fun and whatnot, and all that cool stuff. That answers the question to that. And yeah, we'll be creating. I'll be creating maybe. I'll be creating like 2 original concept mags that were strapped for the original game, which we're looking at concept art for the proto art and all that stuff. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But for now, let's put the custom mag away for all this stuff. For now, you guys want to see some. Now you guys want to see the combat system. Well, we have a bunch of cool dudes that really like to beat the shit out of this one dude, this one monster. So let's just transition to that, and I'll get into more details for that. All right, okay. You transition me, do the thing. Okay. All right. So transition. Fuck, I don't know how to transition in video editor.
Welcome to Neos! We're about to fuck this boomer up! God damn it, that hurt. I think it's dead. Also, fuck, I hit my hand on my fucking desk 3 times there. God damn.
Alright, transition effect over. Alright, everybody, back from the transition. Good, I don't care. Alright, so here we have the Booma, totally not a Boomer. The Booma here, right? Prototype Booma prototype enemy number 2, right? So with prototype enemy number 2, he's a little bit different from before. Now he actually has an HP system, which we broke it down into a more primitive version of hit points, pretty much into a 1-point system to 1-point damage ratio. AKA, if you hit it once, if you hit him every time, if you hit him once, he loses 1 point, for example. Later on, once the enemy is properly rigged and wired in, there'll be multiple of these dudes, and they're gonna run you down like Usain Bolt with a Glock. And yeah. Let's continue with that. Okay.
Shake well before use.
Okay. I'm having too much fun with this. Okay. So I don't want to get close to this dude. I really don't want to get close to this dude. You could fuck me up if I'm not careful. Okay, so with the Boomer over here, I really don't like getting close to this sound bitch. You have to really fucking get it radius check. That's the annoying part. So Booma is our pretty much prototype enemy for the common and mobile enemies that'll attack you. Is it quadrupedal or bipedal? Or just that walks on 2 feet. So just walk on 2 feet. That's how we're gonna say it. They walk on 2 feet. And all this shit. So he's gonna attack. So what happens is once you pretty much are in the region, he's gonna rush you down. For the normal version, this is pretty much wired in for a basic normal version. The ultimate version is gonna run you down like Usain Bolt and all that cool stuff. So
Look at it. Look at that.
now we gotta fight this dude. Don't worry, I'm just stretching my arms. I'm just doing some weird Jedi pose. I don't give a shit. I'm just doing this because I got like a lightsaber. I might as well just do some weird ass poses. Okay, so now we gotta beat the shit out of this. All right. So I'm gonna slowly approach it and try to kill it. Okay. So this is pretty much what happens. You can see the circle, which is the hitbox, and the blue is its damage box. So I'm gonna go to it. I'm gonna come very close. And fuck. Okay, we're good. You want to? Okay.
I got you.
Back. And that's how you kill the enemy. Okay, I thought it was it was a lot easier than last time.
Back.
So and if you notice, he's actually dead this time. Yes, there's a fucking death. There's a death animation because we had time to improve it.
I will hold
We
the
had
pen
we had
and you
actually
will-
time.
I will be the pen.
We actually had
I
time
am
to
pen.
actually put that in there. I know, right? Don't look at my teeth. Look at my eyes are up here, not down here. So he actually dies. He dies. That's oh god. Look, okay. He actually died, which is the good part, and all that crazy stuff. Okay, wait. Okay, yeah. I need someone. Okay. All right, very quickly. Okay, I'm gonna quickly edit a part over here. I need someone to press a button while I talk in mid sentence.
What button?
Okay, you see the revive button? I'm gonna kill him, right?
Okay.
I'm wait until I'm in a funny sentence or in the middle of an interesting sentence. And get the oh my god, just get to die. Oh, okay, good, he's dead. Okay, so now, as you can see, the Boomer is clearly dead and all that cool stuff. So because of that, the Boomer has this cool death animation compared to the last prototype enemy. He dies and all that awesomeness. But yeah, after the hard work the Sawpoint did and all that stuff and all that cool stuff and whatnot, you know what I mean? He worked really hard to put that together and all that cool stuff. Make sure the monster doesn't die and come back in the middle of, you know, all that cool stuff. So I'm safe right now at all this stuff. This is not, what the fuck is this? It's supposed to kill me. Yeah. Okay, this is not part of the strip. He's supposed to fucking. This is what the fuck is this? He's supposed to do the thing. He didn't do the thing. Okay, let's try again. Okay, fuck.
He just clicks back.
What the? Did you? Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, we got. Okay, let's try that again. Let's try. Okay, fuck, man. When you're trying to when I'm trying to pretend to kill myself, now we gotta do that again. Okay, all right. So you notice I'm a little bit out of location from the last shot because there was a little error in the sentencing and all that shit. So Sawpoint here actually did a fantastic job working on the enemy AI whenever they had a chance, which I appreciate. They're awesome and working hard. Sawpoint makes a lot of great little mini games and all that cool stuff and whatnot. So with the new version of the Boomer doesn't really have that issue where it randomly comes back to life and tries to kill you. We made sure of that as time progressed and we worked out the kinks and all that cool stuff. So yeah, you know what I mean? We had to work hard on putting this stuff together and whatnot. But let's get to the next part of this discussion here and do, you know... I'm not even fucking. What the fuck is this? I'm waiting. It's not fucking. Just fucking hit me. What the? My fucking. Are you shitting me? Okay, press that fucking button again. I'm gonna stand right here. Now you fuck. What the? Now it fucking works. What the fuck? I'm waiting for this to do it and just fucking. Okay, let's try again. Okay. Okay, it's just maybe it's not resetting proper. Maybe it has to reset and try to fucking die, you little shit. Okay. So let's do this again. All right. Hopefully it doesn't fuck up. Okay. So yeah, with Sawpoint doing amazing hard work, with the hard work of Sawpoint's ingenuity and creativity and big brains, I'm telling you, man, a lot of people I know, Neos, have some big brains. I know I don't got the biggest of brains, but I got the biggest of hearts. And all that craziness. But with the Boomer here, you can see he's actually died compared to Rappy. Rappy will be fixed later on. Once we have a conclusive, what's that word? That's like solid and evidence and shit. Conclusive. All right, fuck. Okay, let me do it again. So with Sawpoint's hard work, they spent a lot of time working on it, dude. Whenever they can, they've been putting out a run, all cool stuff, and whatnot. So Sawpoint took the time to put this awesome Boomer together whenever they have, and right now they're working on the Lily models to have their own secrets and events and death animation all put together for you guys too, because Sawpoint's working their ass cheeks to make this part possible whenever it's available. So, and also we kind of fixed this also tweak with the boomer randomly respawning and trying to kill people when they're not looking at them. So that's a good thing it doesn't happen now, and all that cool stuff. You know what I mean? Oh shit! It's not. Fuck. I'm out of here. Fuck that shit. I'm done.
Kill it.
Okay, finally we got the fucking. Okay, I took this. Okay,
There you go.
okay, finally we got that part. Holy shit, dude! You know how, dude? Now it's just okay. It does it when at the fifth time. Okay, fucking piece of fucking bastard. Just die, prick. And okay, and all stuff. And what else? What else is to let you guys know about? Besides the update, besides zero down do, besides importing them up here, you know what? Besides, you know, putting the stuff together for here, just working his butt off and working his amazing effort on there, showing off some of the stuff that's in this world. Having a fully rebuilt Pioneer 2, I need to work on the lobby, so I have to pick a day and time to work on the lobby and cool stuff and all that stuff. And let's see, show all this off, talk about this. This is pretty much the blooper part at the end of the video. And yeah, that's pretty much it.